high shelf in the laundry room. Oh, can you get that? Just take a message.
Oh, that reminds me. Your 9 o'clock appointment canceled. Hello, Dr. Monahan's office. Kitty! Is that you? It's a real bad time, babe. Hey, did you get this number? Caller ID. Damn technology. No, I wasn't cursing at you, baby. This is one of the stops on my route. Yes, of course, I love you. Look, I really have to go. I'll see you someday. Okay? Kiss the kids for me.
Head still hurt, baby?
It hurts bad, baby.
Well, don't you worry. The doctor's got a homemade remedy that's going to make it feel real good. Now you just close your eyes and I'll deliver it personally.
There's a switch. You're going to deliver something to me.
Are you ready, baby?
I'm ready, baby. Lay it on me. What do you call this remedy?
A new frontal lobe, kitty?
What do you have, super hearing?
No, an eavesdropping mother with a pipeline to the laundry room.
You know, there's a good explanation for this.
Oh, save it, pal. We're too old for games. You told me that you were single.
I told you I didn't have a girlfriend.
You also told me you were divorced.
I am. From my first wife.
You have a second wife?
We're separated.
Since when?
Since I came down from upstate and took this job. Now I only go back every Wednesday and Sunday.
Just answer me one question. Why? Why go through all this trouble? This charade.
Because I like you.
And you don't like your wife and kids?
Of course I do. I guess I'm just a...
Oh, a commitment-phobic infidel.
That's kind of a harsh way to put it.
Oh, it figures. You're just a creep like the rest of them.
What's your problem, Doc? Nothing happened. We had a little harmless fun. And you're making it out to be love story. We didn't even sleep together.
No, but we easily could have. Or are you going to tell me you would have been noble enough to control yourself? Just what is with you men? What makes you think you can just use women like dish rags?
Control myself? You kissed me first, remember? And I didn't use you, Cecilia. It's not always about women. Sometimes men have too much emotional baggage or are scared or just been burned one too many times.
At least you didn't blame your mother. I think you ought to go now. Unless there's any more games you would like to play.
Not playing games? What about you? Isn't that what you do in your role-playing therapy? You're just upset because I know how to play the game so well. It's what relationships are all about, Doctor. You're conditioned to have a perception of what the perfect man should be. And the guy who can play the part best wins the prize. Well, I got news for you, Doctor. No man could live up to those ideals for very long. There's no such thing as a knight in shining armor who'll whisk you away to a castle and take care of you the rest of your life. Everyone's got to take care of themselves. You, of all people, should know that.
Oh, I know that. I know that all too well. Relationships are work. Hard work. But what would that mean to a player like you?
At least I'm in the game. I'm not running off to my room to bury myself in a manuscript. God, Cecilia, even your patients, with all their miserable experiences, still put themselves out there.
Me or my patients?
I thought. No, I know. There was something between us.
Whatever you thought you knew was a lie. Because everything about you is a lie, Bob. There is nothing between us.
I guess sex this weekend is out of the question.
Do you mind? You heard, Mother? I'm sorry. Well, I'm not. Better I find out right away.
Well, if it makes you feel a little better, he kind of charmed me too.
It doesn't make me feel any better. But thank you.
What's the matter, Cecilia? You hardly knew the man.
Oh, it's not him, Mommy. It's just that
What?
there is just something wrong. Something terribly wrong with me, with my life.
What could be wrong? You have a great job, you have money. I don't understand why you're so upset.
There's just something missing, Mom. I don't know. I mean, it's hard for me to express it. Can you believe that? Me, the therapist, the person with all the answers.
Nobody has all the answers. You're just a human being.
No, but they expect me to, Mom. They come to me like what I tell them will just cure their loneliness. Like I have a magic wand that I can wave and just make all their pain disappear. I'm not their fairy godmother.
No, and that's not your job. Your job is to help them cope with their relationship problems. There are a lot of lonely people out there.
Help them cope? That's a laugh. If they only knew, Mom. Boy, if they only knew.
You what, Cecilia?
That I am just as lonely as they are, Mommy.
I'm sorry.
It's just that ever since Ted died, I mean, I haven't been able to... Oh, we were just so right for each other. I mean, always on the same wavelength. And to have him taken from me so suddenly.
Your father left me after 3 years of marriage, and I managed okay.
That was different, Mom. You could have worked on things with Daddy, reconciled. What choice did I have?
Is that what you think, Cecilia? That I had a choice? That it's any easier that my husband didn't die?
You know what, Mom? Maybe if you had been more supportive of Dad.
Supportive of him? Just listen to yourself, Cecilia. He had 2 little girls here. He should have been supporting us. But he made his choice. He lived his life. And now you have to bury the past and live your life too.
And how do I do that, Mom?
Persevere. If you want anything in this life, you have to persevere. Isn't that how you became a therapist? You say you're lonely? Go on the internet and meet men. Date 1 a month until you find a good one.
Funny, you were giving me advice on relationships?
Sometimes, no matter how much you know, you have to hear it from someone else. Take control of your life, Cecilia. Isn't that what you tell your patients? Be proactive. Or do you expect Prince Charming to come waltzing in through that door?
I guess not.
So what are you going to do, Cecilia?
Persevere, Mom. Persevere.
I've got laundry to do.
Hello, Paula? Okay, text me his number. Yes, the dentist. Yes, I'll let you know how it goes. Dr. Campbell? Dr. Cecilia Monahan. Yes, that's right. Look, my sister said that she thought it might be a good idea if we got together. Really? Me too. A motorcycle. How exciting. A brand new Porsche. Look, Stephen, can we just drop the pretense? I mean, my sister said that you're a pretty nice person, and I think I'm a pretty nice person. Can't we just get together and have a cup of coffee and see what happens? Saturday afternoon sounds perfect. A walk in the park sounds nice. Petting zoo? Maybe. Can you hold on a second? Who is it?
It's Tony Robinson!
Well, come in!
Dr. Monahan, you gotta help me.
Tony, what's wrong?
I've got a big problem.
Well, I'm on the phone, Tony, but what is it?
Well, as you know, I went out with the group last night, and I had a couple drinks, and I hit the dance floor, and I think you were left by then. Well, then one thing led to another. Well, anyway, the point of the story is I woke up this morning and, well...
Tony, what's the problem?
You have to listen to me. Not the handcuffs again, please. No. I don't want the rubber hose. Wait, the safe word. There was a safe word. Safe word. It was kumquat. Come!
I'll see you next week, Loretta! And bring Mr. Rumson with you! I'm sorry, Stephen. Patient emergency. You know how that goes. Look, can you just hold on for one more second? Are you getting this, Mother? Listen up! So you were saying something about a walk in the park on Saturday. Just dress casually sounds wonderful. It's a date.
Oh! Carpe diem!